All right, buckle up, folks, because I'm about to drop a knowledge bomb on you. We all know cows, right? Big, gentle giants munching on grass all day long. It's like the textbook definition of a herbivore. But what if I told you that cows are actually meat eaters? Mind blown. Okay, hear me out. We know cows are ruminants, which basically means they have this cool habit of regurgitating their food, bringing it back up from their stomach to chew it again. It's called chewing the cud. So here's the breakdown. When a cow's grazing, it pretty much swallows the grass without really chewing it properly. This partially processed food goes down into the rumen, which is one of the 4 compartments of their stomach and the biggest one. Think of it as a temporary storage and fermentation tank. Later, when they're chilling somewhere quiet, they bring this partially digested stuff back up to their mouth and really grind it down with their molars before swallowing it again. This time, it heads back down to the rumen to be further broken down by a whole community of microbes living in there. And this, my friends, is where things get super interesting. These microbes, these tiny little guys in the rumen, are the real heroes. They're the ones responsible for breaking down the cellulose and carbohydrates in the grass, as well as fatty acids, which the cow uses for energy. Now, get this. As they do their thing, these microbes multiply like crazy in the cow's rumen. And as the older generations die off, they continue their journey through the digestive system and get partially digested in the small intestine. These bacteria cells, born in the rumen and then digested in the small intestine, provide the cow with a massive amount of high-quality protein, like a whopping 70 to 90% of a dairy cow's protein needs. That's how they can grow big and strong just by eating grass or even dry, rough plants. Think about it for a second. Digesting thousands, tens of thousands, even hundreds of trillions of bacteria? Fundamentally, isn't that kind of like digesting a significant amount of meat? Like from a few ounces to even a couple of pounds. So, the bottom line is this. Cows use grass to cultivate this massive army of microbes in their digestive system, and then they digest those very microbes to get the energy and protein they need to thrive. So yeah, now you know why cows and buffalo can get so big and healthy just eating grass. It's because they're not just vegetarians. They're kind of eating meat too. Pretty wild, right? Let me know what you think in the comments.